Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete reels in Instagram permanently. Deleting an Instagram reel can help declutter your profile, remove unwanted content, or maintain a more curated personal brand. So let's start the video. To delete reel from Instagram, open Instagram app. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile, go ahead and tap on Reels icon, which looks like a little clapperboard. This will display all the reels you have posted so far. Scroll through your reels until you find the one you want to delete. Tap to open it. Now tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of your screen. A small menu will pop up with several options. Just tap delete. And Instagram will ask you to confirm. So again tap on delete. Once you confirm, your reel will be permanently deleted from your profile. So that's how to delete reels in Instagram. Thanks for watching.